Hey guys, how you doing? It's Chris from Cheap Tech, back again with another video, and it dawned on me all the time I've been looking at these Amazon Echo devices. Just bear with me, I'll just mute this one in here. I've never unboxed an Echo Dot. I've had a few, sold a few, never actually unboxed one. So I've picked this one up. It's brand new, it's unopened, still in the wrapping, and I managed to acquire it for the princely sum of £30, which is always good in my book, a bit cheaper than what it should be. They're usually $49.99 direct from Amazon. They sometimes have offers on, and I do know you can also buy them refurbished for around the £30 mark as well, so I think I've had a pretty decent deal. So if you've seen me unbox Amazon, I don't want to break the bag, there we go. If you've seen me unbox Amazon Echo devices before, it's all pretty similar. We've got the same sort of style boxing that we normally have. There we go, just in case you was unsure what we were unboxing. On the side there we've got all the apps and the equipment that they work with, and a little bit of bump on there, designed around your voice, add voice control to your speakers, far field voice recognition, and voice control your smart home. So if you've never seen one of these before or never owned one, what they basically are is a little speaker that connects to your home Wi-Fi. It'll connect to devices such as smart light bulbs, smart thermostats, that sort of thing. It'll also play internet music, internet radio. Sorry about that, just had an incoming phone call. Yeah, it'll play internet radio, internet music. They'll also do these ebooks that you can listen to now. Somebody's reading the book to you on Audible and things like that. This is just a speaker. What you can get is things like this, which is the Echo Spot that'll have a screen on it. Again, that allows you to do video calls, things like that. The Echo Dot itself will do calls to other Echo devices. So if you've got a relative or a good friend that's got an Echo device, you can call them on it as well, as long as you've got them in your contacts. But anyway, without further ado, let's open up this little puppy here. So we've got a bit of tape off the top there, so we know it's been unused. That's, excuse me, I think I've got the startings of a lovely cold coming on, which is always good, I'm sure you'll agree. So, okay, so there's the Echo Dot. We've got a little booklet there just to run you through the basics. I know all about that, so we don't need to worry about that. We've got a micro USB lead. This is what you'll use to power your Echo Dot, and you also get, you can open it up there, the little Amazon plug that your USB lead will go into. So if we just move that to one side, we've got a little bit of some more informational things to try. Okay, all pretty basic stuff. Rightio, so let's just take the wrapper, get this on camera, because I know there's people out there that really like this sort of stuff. Lord knows why. Oh, can you hear that? Oof. There's somebody sat there now getting really excited. Oh, suit you, sir. So just a little walk around. The bottom we've got like a rubber pad, that's your foot. Little vents on the bottom, that's where your speaker comes out. And on the top as well. Shiny, gloss plastic, Amazon branding. On the back you've got your micro USB port, headphone jack, so you can send this out to a bigger speaker if you want that bigger sound. Okay, you'll also connect via Bluetooth, by the way. There you've got your plus and minus, mute and stop button. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll keep the video running, and we need to get this plugged in and we'll do a setup. Now you need, if you're doing a setup with this, you need, because there's no screen on it, what you'll need to do, let's just get into my phone, you need the Amazon Alexa app, which is there. Okay, and we can use that to connect. So put that to one side, I'll leave it running, we'll speed it up and we'll come back in at important moments. Okay, so we've just plugged the Echo Dot in. Excuse my chair creaking, I must get a quieter chair for the computer. So he's just basically told us to go to the settings in the Alexa app. So let's try. So right at the top there we have set up a new device.
Let's take a quick tour of your new Amazon Echo Dot. Now it's easy to add Alexa to any room in your home. Play your music, communicate with friends and family, and control your smart home with just your voice. To get the attention of your device, say the wake word, Alexa. You'll know your Echo Dot is ready when the light ring turns blue. Ready for some music? Your Echo Dot has a built-in speaker, but you can also connect to your home stereo system with an audio cable or pair with supported Bluetooth speakers. Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. Alexa, play today's most popular songs.
Playing the top Billboard songs.
Echo helps you organize your busy life. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today there are 2 events. At 9 a.m, there's Daniel's football match. At 7 p.m, there's dinner with Tony.
When you're cooking, you can ask, Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
1 tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons.
Right, so the setup light's gone off. So I showed you a bit of the video there on the basics of how it works. So this now should be set up. Fingers crossed. So we'll do the magic word. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:25 p.m.
So there you go, folks, working late into the evening just for your entertainment. Send money now and pizzas and kebabs. I don't know if you can see slight blue light there. That's my desk lights, which are smart lights, and because I've already got those set up on my Alexa, cancel. Because I've got those set up on my Alexa app, this should already know how to control them. So we'll just see the light go out there. Alexa, turn desk off.
Okay.
See them go there? Alexa, turn desk on.
Okay.
And then they come back. So they work perfectly well. Now if you've got Spotify or Amazon Music, which is my music of choice, this will also link into that. So Alexa, play some top songs.
The playlist, Top 50 Most Played, from Amazon Music.
Remember the words you told me, love me till the day.
Alexa, stop. You can also ask it for a specific artist, so you could say, Alexa, play some Bon Jovi.
Shuffling songs by Bon Jovi.
Alexa, next. Alexa, forward 30 seconds. That's a bit more like it. I don't know which one the first one was. Alexa, stop. You can also listen to radio. So, Alexa, play Absolute 80s.
Absolute 80s.
Alexa, stop.
Thank you for listening to Absolute 80s. Goodbye.
Oh, that's very polite. Also, get the weather. Alexa, what's the weather like in Brazil?
Which location was that? I'm best with a specific city in Brazil.
Rio de Janeiro.
Right now in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, it's 23 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Tonight's forecast has cloudy skies moving in and out, with a low of 18 degrees.
Oh, well, my heart goes out to everybody in Brazil for that absolutely awful weather. So there you go, guys. Just a quick look. Obviously, you get everything that you need in the box. Let's just see if I can focus on the Amazon wording there for you. No. There we go, look at that. So, I think you'll agree, it's a nice little device if you're wanting to get into home automation. Of course, the cost of these, if you buy them at the right time, when Amazon have a bit of a sale on, or if they're on offer, or obviously you can buy them refurbished. They're cheap enough to pop one in every room. They're great if you have got kids and you subscribe to music services, then they can use that to play the music through as well, and all that good fun. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. What I will do sometime in the near future, because I seem to have every Echo device, I'll do a bit of a head-to-head so you can all see what the differences are, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So drop a like if that's something you'd like to see. Okay guys, well thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.